士们、先生们，欢迎您来到新加坡。我们将在樟宜国际机场候机楼进港。新加坡与北京没有时差，现在是新加坡时间星期天上午6点整。机舱外的温度25摄氏度，77华氏度。飞机还将滑行一段距离，请您继续留在座位上并系好安全带，保持您的手机处于关闭状态，直到飞机完全停稳。客舱灯光调亮。到达新加坡的旅客，请在本站办理检疫、入境及海关手续。如果您需转乘其他航班，请到中转柜台办理中转手续。全体机组成员再次感谢您选乘星空联盟成员中国国际航空公司的航班，我们很荣幸与您共同度过一段愉快的旅程，期待与您再次相会。祝您在新加坡愉快，并度过美好的一天。再见。Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. There is no hour time difference between Singapore and Beijing. The local time in Singapore is 6 a.m. on Sunday. The temperature 24 degrees centigrade, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. You are required to remain seated with seatbelt fastened until seatbelts are switched off. Please also keep your mobile phone switched off until aircraft come to complete stop. For passengers arriving in Singapore, please claim your checked baggage and into procedures. All transit passengers are required to proceed to transit lounge. Thank you for joining us on this trip, and we are looking forward to see you again in the near future. Thank you for flying with Air China, a member of Airlines. Have a nice day, Singapore. Goodbye.